What is the purpose of insurance? Correct answer is to transfer risk and to protect against financial losses due to unforeseen events. Which type of insurance provides financial support after the death of policyholder? Correct answer is life insurance. What does a premium in insurance refer to? Correct answer is premium is the amount paid by the policyholder to the insurance company. What is the main function of health insurance? Correct answer is to cover hospitalization medical expenses. What is the main purpose of disability insurance cover? Correct answer is to replace loss of income if policyholder is unable to work. What does the term actuary refer to in insurance? Correct answer is actuary is a professional who calculates risk and premiums. What is the purpose of reinsurance? Correct answer is to protect insurance companies from large losses. What is the full form of LIC? Correct answer is Life Insurance Corporation of India. In which year was LIC established? Correct answer is 1 September 1956. Which of the following is a benefit of life insurance for income tax savings? Correct answer is premiums paid can be claimed under section 80C. What is a rider in a life insurance policy? Correct answer is rider is an additional benefit added to the policy. What is the meaning of surrender of life insurance policy? Correct answer is policy cancellation before maturity date and receiving cash value. What is the name of the first life insurance company in the world? In which year and where it was established? Correct answer is Amicable Society for a Perpetual Assurance Office, founded in London in 1706 by William Talbot and Sir Thomas Allen. In LIC, what is SA? Correct answer is SA means sum assured. Sum assured means the guaranteed amount payable to the policyholder in case of policy maturity, or amount payable to nominees in case of policyholder's death claim. Which historical figure is known for setting up an insurance company to provide financial support to widows and orphans? Correct answer is Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin helped to establish the Philadelphia Contribution Ship, which offered financial support to widows and orphans. He helped to popularize and make standard the practice of insurance. Thank you for watching.